Peel it. Peel it. Peel it. Peel it. Peel it. What else? Peel it. Peel it. Hey, Max, did we see a choo-choo?
Yeah.
Well, do you say choo-choo? But would you rather say peel it? Peel it. Hey, Max, what are you having for lunch? What are you having? Raisins. Did you eat pizza?
Yeah.
Was it yummy? Okay, one more time. What do we say?
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Say love you.
Yeah.
Oh, that's very nice. Say peel it. Yeah, okay, say peel it.